Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. If you are ready to withdraw your funds from the Alpha Capital, guys, I'm going to give you basically, a simple step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth process. So first things first, what we're going to do is just visit the Alpha Capital Group website and log in using your credentials. And once you're inside your dashboard, you want to locate the withdrawal section, which is often under the Funds or Accounts tab, right? And then what you want to do basically is you want to ensure that you meet any withdrawal criteria. For example, profit targets or account verification. And you're going to confirm that your account has actually been fully verified, by providing the necessary documents. For example, you have to provide like a valid ID or, a passport or a driver's license. You need to give a proof of address, which you can give with a utility bill or a bank statement. And then basically, guys, at the end, you want to select a withdrawal method. So you just want to choose your preferred withdrawal method. For example, if it's a bank transfer, PayPal, or any other supported options, you want to ensure that the method actually matches the one that is being used for deposits, as actually, many platforms require this for security compliance. And then, guys, you want to enter the withdrawal details. So you want to enter the withdrawal amount, and here you want to be aware of the minimum withdrawal limits if this is applicable, and if there's any associated fees or processing charges. And you want to also provide, accurate payment details like, bank account number, PayPal email, things like that. And then you just want to confirm the withdrawal request. So you want to review the information entered and just click submit or confirm. So you may need to actually verify the transaction through a two-factor authentication code, which is sent to your email. Or at the end, guys, what you're going to do is basically just wait for processing, okay? Because withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days to actually process, depending on the method that's chosen. And you can actually track the status of your request in the withdrawal history section of your account. And once processed, guys, the funds will appear in your linked bank account or your chosen payment method. And if you face any issues, guys, just contact Alpha Capital support team via chat or email, guys. And that's it, guys. With these steps, you're all set to withdraw your funds from the Alpha Capital Group. And guys, if you find this guide helpful, leave a like and comment to Ninja Guides for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you guys next time.